Happy 18th birthday, Kel! More birthdays to come! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kiel! Continue serving God, being a sunshine to your family and friends, and of course, to your ates. And as you grow older, don't forget your limitations. Always know your limitations. Alam ko naman na mabait kang bata. And nandito lang palagi si ate for you. I love you.
Aura.
Happy birthday, Ate Kel!
Wishing you all the best. Pwede na tayong makulong. Happy birthday po, Ate Kel. Mahal na mahal kita. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Kel. Libre mo ako honey butter. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Kel. Mahal na mahal ka ng movers. Be healthy. Happy birthday, Ate Kel. Tandaan mo na mahal ka namin lahat. Take care always. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Kel. Ang motto ko sa'yo, kung kaya na ipapagawa ko sa'yo. Happy birthday, Ate Kel. Dahil nasabi nila lahat, isa na lang masasabi ko. Isa. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ay, isang kantag para sa isa. Pina. 1, 2, 3, go. Para sa iyo. Happy birthday.
Hi Kiel, happy birthday. Sorry, ako lang ang babati sa iyo ngayon. But nonetheless, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day and more blessings to come. Finish your studies and again, be a professional someday and don't stop serving the parish. Okay? Maraming salamat to your parents in guiding you and making a responsible individual. Alright? Enjoy your day. Enjoy your celebration with your loved ones, your family, relatives, and friends. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and blessed birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong gabi na to at magpasalamat kay Lord kasi bibihira ang nakakaranas ng ganitong libo magpasalamat kay Papa at Mama dahil napaghandaan nila ang kaarawan ito. Maging masaya lang at always be thankful to God. Love your parents. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kel! Sana magtuloy-tuloy at huwag kalimutan magdasal palagi, magpasalamat kay Lord at saka kay Mama at Papa kasi darating mo yung iyong arawan. 18, happy birthday at maraming salamat. Yun lang.
Hello Ate Kiel, happy 18th birthday. God bless you always and mag-iingat palagi. Mag-aaral mabuti at sumunod palagi kay Mama at Papa. I love you. Ingat palagi dyan and enjoy.
Hi Kiel, happy birthday and wishing you all the best. Mag-enjoy ka lang ngayong araw na to and patuloy mo lang ang pagsiserve mo kay God. Nandito lang palagi sa Ate Jean para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Kiel!
Hi Kel! This is your Ate Irish. Happy 18th birthday and welcome to Legality! So wala akong balak paiyakin ka. So, hanggang dito lang ako. My wish for you is simple lang. Makuha mo lahat ng gusto mo at maging masaya ka palagi. Yun lang. Bye-bye! Happy 18th birthday ulit!
Hi Kel, happy 18th birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong day mo. And I'm wishing you all the best at good luck sa college life mo.
Hi Kiel, happy 18th birthday. Wishing all the best. Continue to serve to God. Very thankful ako kasi naging kaibigan na naging close friends kita sa Movers. And miss ko na yung bonding natin. Sana wag ka na palaging magtampo. Alam mo naman yun, araw-araw ka nagtatampo. Dito lang. Hindi, andito lang ako palagi sa'yo. Makikinig ako palagi ng rant mo. Tsaka kakakampi mo ako palagi. Wish you all the best. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday din Tito Mike. Bumuna ako kulutin to ha. Binati na kita.
Hi Kel! Happy birthday! Unang-una sa lahat, Thank you sa pag-invite mo sa akin dito sa iyong special na araw, sa iyong 18th birthday, and hopefully magustuhan mo yung regalo na ibinigay ko sa iyo. Pangalawa, gusto kong magpasalamat sa iyo dahil itinuturing kitang isa sa mga blessing ng ating klase. Kasi every time na nasa classroom ka, nagiging magaan ang mood ng bawat isa dahil sa iyong likas na pagiging jolly. Pangalawa, thank you sa pagiging responsible mo sa ating klase. As the vice president ng ating klase, I must say that you are doing a great job being one of my officers sa ating klase. Ngayon naman, wish ko para sa iyong 18th birthday ay continue to learn, continue to grow, go out of your comfort zone. Kasi yan, andyan lahat ng learnings. And sana lahat ng goals mo sa buhay ay makamit mo together with the support of your family, friends, and your loved ones. So again, happy birthday, Kiel, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye!
Hi guys, happy 18th birthday, Kel. Wish you all the best. And mag-aral lang mabuti para matupad lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. At huwag mo na mag-boyfriend. God bless you guys. And happy birthday, Kuya Mitu. I miss you. See you soon, guys.
Hi, Kiel. I wish to greet you a happy 18th birthday. May you grow with a good heart just like your Mama La and your dad and your mom with a good heart as always. Always serve the Lord with a humble heart and continue pursuing your dreams. Keep believing on yourself. And nandito lang kami mga tito mo, mga tita na mag-guide sa'yo at supportan ka sa lahat ng iyong mga naisin sa buhay. We love you, Kiel. Happy 18th birthday. Love you.
Hi, Kel. Happy 18th birthday. May you continue to be a blessing to your family and friends. Thank you very much for being a good example to your fellow servers in the parish. I am praying for your intentions. God bless you always and enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.